YouTube thumbnail. If you become the best in this creativity, then nobody can stop your video from going viral because a YouTube thumbnail represents your knowledge of a video, and if you people find making a YouTube thumbnail very tough, then it will not be so from today, because today I will teach you people to create thumbnails with AI, be it documentary type thumbnails or gaming type thumbnails. And not only this, Mr. Indian Hacker also gets his video thumbnails created by AI. From this, you people must have got the idea that how attractive AI thumbnails are, and at the same time it must be going on in your mind that how to make an AI thumbnail. So let's learn this in today's video. Stay till the end of the video because some important things will also be covered in this video. So first of all, we will learn to create a documentary type thumbnail in which we will get this thumbnail of Dhruv Rathee created by AI. So for this, first of all, we will learn to create this thumbnail. We will get the thumbnail. To download, we will search the link of this video and search it on Google, YouTube, video thumbnail download. After searching this much, click on the first link and paste the link of the video in this box and click on search. After clicking, you will get the same thumbnail below, then you will download it in HD quality. So this was the first step which has been completed. Now we move towards the second step. So, in the second step, we have to open the ChatGPT website from Google, and first of all, you people have to log in to ChatGPT. Do log in because only then you can upload images in it. After logging in, click on this option and add the same thumbnail and write in the prompt below. After writing the prompt, you have to click on send. After some time, the prompt of this thumbnail will appear in front of you. Just this, we will copy the prompt from here, and our second step will also be completed. Now we move on to the final step. In the final step, we will open Google and search for ideogram there. After opening the first link, we will get an interface like this. You simply have to click on the plus icon below and save the same prompt in this box, and select the YouTube thumbnail size below and click on generate. After some processing, 4 thumbnails will be recreated in front of you. So you can see for yourself how attractive AI has made these thumbnails. Out of these 4 thumbnails, which thumbnail did you like the most? Do tell in the comment. If we talk about me, then out of these 4 thumbnails, I like this one better. And if you want to download this thumbnail, then simply click on the 3 dots and download it by clicking on download below. So these are the documentary type thumbnails. Now we will create them. You will need gaming type thumbnails. So simply, if you want to get a Jizby type thumbnail made by AI, then first of all you have to download that thumbnail. So I really like the thumbnail of this video of Techno Gamer, which I am going to get made by AI. Downloading process. So you guys got to know in the first step itself. So for this we move towards the second step. In the second step, we will upload the same thumbnail in ChatGPT. And below write a prompt about this image will be typed and click on send. After some time of processing, a written prompt will appear in front of you. You simply have to copy this prompt from here. Go to the ideogram website and paste this prompt in this box and click on generate. After some time of processing, 4 thumbnails will appear in front of you. First of all, you have to see these 4 thumbnails. If you like any of these thumbnails, then click on the free dot to download it. And download from the download option. If you use these thumbnails directly in your video, then it will be a big mistake of yours. How to use AI thumbnail in your video, I will tell you that later. So right now I am going to get the thumbnail of my video made by AI. Let's see how AI makes it. So I am going to get the thumbnail of this video made by AI. First of all, I have downloaded this thumbnail. I have also copied the prompt of this thumbnail by going to ChatGPT. Now we will just paste this prompt in ideogram. Let's see what kind of thumbnail AI makes for me. After pasting, we will click on generate. After some time of processing, AI has made 4 thumbnails for me. It will show such a good result. I had never even thought of it. If I had known earlier, I would have got the thumbnail made by AI only. But there is no need to worry because my audience has come to know how to make thumbnails with AI. So at least they have learned to make thumbnails with AI. Now we will talk about how to make AI thumbnails. How is that done? Before AI can do that, you will have to edit the video. Either you can do color grading of the video, or you can add your image to it, or you can add text to it. That means you will have to add something. If you don't do anything, then I will say only one thing.
Absolutely no risk to take.
Because you can see in this video of Mr. Indian Hacker, in which AI image has been used in the background, and photo and text have been used on the end image. So, I just wanted to say that you should definitely add something on the AI video. Let us end this video here. Do tell us in the comments, how did you like the video? And yes, if you are new, then please subscribe, because there is a very amazing video coming in the future.